Let's talk about the latest launched TECNO smartphone Camon 30 Pro with side-axis camera and classic zoom ring design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 89.9% screen to body ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 144 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixels Sony IMX890 main wide angle camera with support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera with rear dual LED flash. For selfies it has 50 megapixel centered punch hole on the front wide-angle camera, video recording maximum 4K at 60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.1 GHz single-core Cortex-A78 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G610MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 12 GB extended RAM, and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable via hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 74.53 by 7.68, 7.8 mm, and it weighs around 188.6 grams, and the color options Iceland Basaltic Dark, Alps Snowy Silver colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 70-watt ultra-fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO Camon 30 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 99,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Camon 30 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.